In front of me is POCO M3, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select accounts and sync. And as you can see, currently we are logged in with Google account. To remove the current one, select Google and tap on more. And you can smoothly remove account by tapping on remove account and then confirm that you would like to delete it with all its messages, contacts and other data. Then tap on OK. Use pattern or fingerprint to confirm your selection. And this is it. As you can see, it is no longer connected with your POCO M3. Now, once you want to add another account or maybe log in for the first time, just tap on add account, pick Google, and now enter your email address or phone number and tap on next then. Now it is time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And once the password is entered, just tap on next. And here you can read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also all the terms of privacy policy. Tap on I agree if you do agree with all the above conditions. And then tap on accept. And that's it. You've just added Google account, and if you'll go back, you'll be able to notice it right here. Here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can remove or add Google account to your POCO M3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.